What's up, it is Zap from 29 here, and welcome back to Saturday with Zap from 29 episode. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh. Yeah. Today we're talking about first class. Someone that if you're good on airplanes and takeaway for sure. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Subscribe, following, and stuff like that. And let's just do. First time, never know the first class from the front row seats. Some of that part of the airplane tip. Some first amenities for in seats and other two seats for sure. You get a luxury and something like that. Per se. Mostly like that, mostly particularly for sure more Airbuses or similar like that were one particular option for use. But usually particularly for sure, mostly with that for one. Even though there's great opportunities for like that for mostly particularly for one, I would say mostly no like that for one. There's great nothing for two. But usually for one I would say for say airplanes. These are pretty good luxury stuff. They cost lots of money. They're very high prices. Some of that. Not only that, they're mostly for like it was waiter. The give a menu and all some of that. What the opportunities like let's say things to say how much to travel like say from New York City to Dubai. Or Abu Dhabi per se, like that for or doing the Asian airline, China Airlines. Nationally, some of Canada, Toronto, mostly that particularly for sure. Some of that for mostly the time periods as well. But yeah, pretty is the same, pretty opportunity like that for sure. And everything that the same with that. But mostly, I think for one, table mile is per se. But usually for that, for cool, again, came in the lounges you want to, but usually particularly that for sure. So that's it, boy. Hope you guys enjoy this, guys. Yeah, Bobby. I'll see you on the North Sea weekend day one. Second video. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If you guys subscribe, Bobby. See you guys in the second video. Peace. Yeah.